Okay, now we're going to move on to example number 2. So we're going to follow our steps, and we're going to have to solve for one variable first. Okay, so in this equation, it wants us to first solve for either x or y. Okay, so if x plus y equals 16, let's solve for x. So we can replace x. All right, you can choose either one. This is just the path that we're going to take while I'm doing it with you. So if we're solving for x in x plus y equals 16, we need to get x by itself. In order to get x by itself, we could subtract y from both sides, and we get x equals 16 minus y. Okay? If we're replacing this x here, which it looks like we're going to do, we're going to replace it with 16 minus y. So we're doing the same thing we did in the first equation. We just had to take that extra step to get x by itself first. We're going to place that right here. Okay, so now we have y equals 2 times 16 minus y equals negative 17, so that we can solve for y. The first step would be to distribute. We have y minus 2 times 16, which is going to be 32. And then negative 2 times negative y is going to be a positive 2y. Okay? Our next step is just to get closer and closer to getting y by itself. So let's combine these like terms. We have y and 2y, which is a 3y. Then we still have minus 32. Okay? Still trying to get y by itself. Let's add 32 to each side. And if we add 32 to negative 17, we get a negative 15. Or a positive 15, I'm so sorry. Because we have a positive 32. Right? You can also look at it as you have $32 minus 17, you lost 17, so now you have $15. All right, and on the right, or on the left, we have 3y. So 3y equals 15, still solving for y. Let's divide by 3 on each side to get 5, okay? So we have one very important thing, that y equals 5, okay? We are not done. We still need that ordered pair at the bottom. And to make it a little bit simpler for you, once you find one of your coordinates in your xy for your solution, you can just write it in. So we know y is 5, so we can put a 5 there. We know we need to solve for x, okay? Let's substitute our y equals 5 into the other equation so that x plus y equals 16 in order to solve for x now. So we're going to put this 5 right here. We have x plus 5 equals 16. We need to get that x by itself. Let's subtract 5 from each side. And we get 16 minus 5, which is 11. So our point would be 11, comma 5. Okay, we got x is 11. We put it into our ordered pair to give us a final solution of 11, comma 5.